Hey everyone and welcome back to English Explains. Today we have this simple but tricky math question. Try to solve within 10 seconds. Your time start now. Okay, time's up. We have our question 20 divided by 4 that is 5 minus 3. Now many are solving like 20 divided by 4, 5 minus 3 will give result like 2 and 20 divided by 4 times 2 that is 8 and they will write like 20 divided by 8 cancel with 4 that is 4 times 2 8 and 4 times 5 that is 20 and here 5 by 2 can be written as 2.5. Okay, so do you think this is the right way? This is actually not the right way. I will show you how you can solve. First we will follow order of operations so we never do the mistakes again. So first preference will be this parenthesis which is 5 minus 3 will give result 2. So at that part this is the right step. We will write like this, and after that we will do for left to right operation because of multiplication division have the same priority, and in that case left to right. So we will first do this division part, which is 20 divided by 4, which will give result 5. Okay, now 5 times 2 and 5 times 2 will give result 10, which is the correct answer. And if you found this video helpful, then subscribe us.